I'm shaking it, boss. I'm shaking it. It's out of control. Make it stop. Make it stop.
Need to go camping.
Quiet, quiet. You gotta listen.
I think you're done.
I think it's fun.
You better get it off the fire now. Turn the fire off and the heat of the panels just keep popping.
Okay. Now the next part. Now the next part. Say Papa Picorn. So much fun, you guys.
No, just open one and pour it in there.
No, because you're supposed to put the seasoning on.
Where's the seasoning?
I'm getting it! I'm getting it! Pour it in there, quick.
Get the seasoning! Get the seasoning!
Yeah, look at the seasoning, man!
Shake it, shake it, shake it!
Shake it! Don't break it! It took your mama 9 months to make it!
It's a miracle! It started out very, very small and now it's huge!
I think we'll just do the butter. Just the butter, don't you think?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Wait. I'm not quite ready yet. Here we go. This is art. You can't rush art.
You can't rush art.
Stupid.
Who is Art anyway?
Oh, come on. Oh, that's such a bad word. No,
Hi, Art. How come you're so slow?
Back over there. What in the world are you doing?
you want to do it? It's not coming out.
Linnell, is there a lid that you have to peel off?
I already did. No, it's just you shake it.
Shake? There's a lesson here. Everything needs to be shaken with popcorn.
Okay, there you go. Yeah. Oh, my popcorn. Oh, dear.
It's not caramel. Shake it, Linnell, shake it.
Don't worry about it, just shake.
Yeah, just shake it. Shake. Shake. I'm the first Indian.
Okay, let's see it. Let's see it.
Need more seasoning. Yeah.
Give it to me. Popcorn.
Yeah. Oh, my hand.